Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Taquisha, if you don't already know that, and this is Our Freedom Song, and I am so happy that you are here. Man, it feels like summer out here, but it's not summer yet. I'm on my way into the garden to do some succession planting, and just looking around, just seeing how beautiful it is out here, I just had to grab the camera so that I could take you guys along with me. Look at this beauty, our very first straw flower. I wasn't expecting for it to turn yellow. It actually started off just like the other two, that deep red burgundy color, and it has turned this beautiful yellow color. So I'm so excited to see the final look. So I did order some more lights, some more solar lights online, and I am going to be trying to figure out exactly where to string them up at. But I'm so excited about these. I did pick up a couple more fig trees and a couple more blueberry bushes from our local farm store, and they are sunburned because I didn't realize that they had been kept in the shade, and I just had them in direct sunlight. How beautiful. The sunflowers that I densely planted in this crate right here are all ready to be planted out into the big world. And these zinnias, these are zinnerellas. On the picture, they looked absolutely gorgeous. And so I had to get them. I'm so excited about these. Check out how much this beauty has grown. Oh my goodness. All the way through the trellis. And I just love how these three sunflowers right here are different heights. It just gives such a really cool effect in this bed. Whoa. just found our first Asian long beans. Oh my goodness, I didn't even know these were hiding over here. This is our first cream sausage that is ready. I've been so excited to taste this tomato. Bit on the forehead again. So I've seen so many tomatoes out here that's ready to be harvested. I think I'm going to summon out my girls and have them do a big harvest of tomatoes so that we can get those in the house. I am going to be preparing these tomatoes like any day now. I'm so excited to use our electric canner. So speaking of fresh produce, yesterday me and my family, we went to a local farm. It's so nice to find nice organic farms that you can go to with your family and just enjoy the U-picks that they have there. So we went and we collected so many blueberries. So I'm going to be trying all these blueberry recipes and I'm so excited about it. That was so much fun. It was so relaxing and so enjoyable. Like, definitely worth every penny. And they just let you snack on them, like, and so if you don't care about having to come home and wash them first, I mean, if you do, that's your thing. But y'all know I be out here in a hot minute getting me a garden snack while I'm harvesting or just walking through, and so it doesn't really bother me. The first thing that I made with our blueberries was a blueberry compote for dinner last night, and I just made these super quick no-bake cheesecakes with a graham cracker crust, you know, cheese, cream cheese filling, so yummy, and I topped it with our blueberry compote. The next thing that I think that I'm going to make is blueberry bars, because I am just craving a good blueberry bar, but I would definitely let you guys know how that goes. So are you harvesting or going to your local farmers market and getting anything fresh like fruit? And if so, what are you making with it? I love being able to cook seasonally and bake seasonally, and so if you have any good things that you love to do with your blueberries, I would absolutely love to know it. So I don't know if anybody else goes to the thrift store to look for harvest baskets, but I definitely do, and I found these 3 along with one more yesterday, and I am so excited. These are beautiful, and I got all 4 baskets for like $6. Score. Just leave it on the ground. Yes, pick those for sure. And that's okay. If they look dark red, yes. Oh my goodness, yes. I've not eaten one of these yet.
Had the hoop house?
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm gonna taste it right now. Look at this worm on me.
Yuck. That's kind of gross.
Hmm? Hmm?
Oh my gosh, there's a lizard.
It is. I was videoing it. It's so cute.
Is it?
It's so cute. Look at him. Are you cute?
That's equivalent to not saying aliens are cute.
No, it's not. It's not the same thing.
They bite.
It's not the same thing.
Do we think I'm gonna stay like this?
Yes. Looks cool.
Like a
What
rainbow.
is that? Is that a zebra? What type is it? It looks super cool. Yeah, we'll let it ripen in the house. You could pick it. Very beautiful. Yep, there's lots of tomatoes over there.
This is soft. Oh, it's not coming off. Black peppers.
The purple ones, yeah, they're really cool. Isn't this basket so pretty?
Mm-hmm.
It's so nice and sturdy.
Dirty basket. Mommy, where did I put these?
Are they?
If I lived alone with this garden, I'd be scared.
You said you'd be scared?
It's like it looks pretty, but like these bushes.
These ones?
Yeah. I'm
With
scared.
all the beans on it?
Yeah, I'm scared.
We'll give if they're busted, we'll give them to the chickens.
And then like if a snake popped out and bit me, I wouldn't. No one would be there to witness that I got bit by a snake.
Let me see what you got. Nice harvest basket. Very beautiful.
When are we gonna harvest a zucchini?
That's
Looking pretty
that is a
ready.
type of squash. It's called a tromboncino.
I meant to say squash.
It's called a tromboncino.
Oh, I thought you were talking in a different language.
It's really cool. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so grateful for another day that I get to spend in the garden and to see that beautiful harvest, man. It reminds us that it is worth it. It is so worth it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you guys next time.